Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video you will find out how to make AI videos with Runway Gen-3. If you're looking to create professional AI videos through just a prompt, then Runway's new Gen might just be for you. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any uploads, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for Runway. Click on the link for runwayml.com. You'll be directed to the main website where you can click on Try Gen-3 Alpha, as it's still just a new feature. You'll be needed to sign in or sign up with an account. You can log in with your mail or continue with your Google account, Apple account, or a single sign-on. Once signed up, you'll be directed to the chat where you can generate AI pictures and videos through just a prompt. Choose Create/Modify an image or video from here, and now you'll need to add in the prompt of the idea you have. You can go as deep as possible for this, as this will be important in creating the best product for you. I'm just gonna go simple for an example, like video of bunch of children running towards a school bus. Once you click on enter, it will start creating the AI video or image for you, and in seconds you'll have your own AI video ready through Gen 3 of Runway. Keep in mind these features are only available on the paid version. That is how you can create AI videos and pictures by using Runway Gen-3 Alpha. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more quick and easy tutorials like these.